Hi, in this video I'll be sharing with you how exactly you can use your default Bollinger Band setting, which is period 20, in order for you to have your perfect sniper entry. So looking at my indicator setting, the first is Bollinger Band, and as you can see the period is 20. Deviation is 2.0, the shift is close, then you apply it to close. If you've done your setting correctly, you have a relative strength index, you can see the levels. Here the styles, you change the color to white because my background of my screen is white. If yours is black, you kindly change that particular styles to black. Then afterwards, you have a commodity channel index. The period is 14. The level what you are seeing. So you take a screenshot and then you do the setting on your chart. So once you have done that, what is the essence of this video? The goal of this video is for us to see how we can incorporate the Bollinger Band period 20 in order for us to have a sniper entry. Now this will reduce a lot and save you a lot of stress. But however, remember, we are not trading this in isolation. This is not just a indicator-based strategy. Then at our indicator window, which is what you are seeing here, we are using our indicator window to identify divergence. So our indicator window is not only to be used for any other thing like overbought, oversold. No, we are using it strictly for identifying divergence. So first, this is our checklist. We begin by considering the trend. We only consider the Bollinger Band when it is time for us to make entry. Alright, so we don't have any business with the Bollinger Band until we're about making an entry. So this is a 4-hour time frame, and this is how you can see exactly. So we begin by determining our trend, and here you can see that previously price has been coming down. If you can see, we are having this price giving us a lower high, we have lower low, and then suddenly we have this break of structure. So at this point the structure was broken, and then we have a new high, and this is our low, and that is how we begin the journey of an uptrend. So you can see now that we have a high, a low, we have a higher high, this is a higher low. So continuously like that until you see how price keep playing out in that direction. So since price is in an uptrend, what do? We identify our order blocks. And if you look critically in this scenario, this is our order block. So let's look at exactly what happened inside of this order block. So perfect, this is our order block, as you can see, and in this order block price left inside of this order block, and then price returned inside this order block. So immediately price returned to this order block, we'll now move to, remember price left the order block, return back. So when price return to the order block, that is where we are meant to make entry. So if you are to make your entry based on a 1-hour time frame, you will be using a candlestick pattern, right? You will be using a candlestick pattern, which has to be an engulfing candlestick pattern or a bullish pin bar Okay, so now this is the first. As you can see, this is the return of the price into that other block, and our trading strategy is such a very simple and a powerful one. So look at this. When this was happening, price give us a lower low, lower low, lower low. Look at our indicator window, is giving us a higher low, which is the opposite of what is happening on the main chart. So this automatically becomes our advantage. The divergence confirms to us that we should be buying, that we are trading in the direction of the trend. So once we get a divergence, it shows that that is the end of this pullback that you are seeing. This pullback into this other block ends by the identification. You can see that other block we are talking about, and here is the pullback into that other block on the 4-hour time frame, and it gave us a divergence. So when you get a divergence in a pullback that is in the direction of the trend, it simply means you have come to the end of the pullback and price is ready to push all the way back to the upside. So we got a divergence, and then we have an evening star candle formation that is backed up by, this is our engulfing candle. So this is our entry confirmation, and another confirmation to buy that we have here is that price is from the lower Bollinger Band, and you can see that price pierces the lower Bollinger Band, which is actually an exhaustion, and then price return inside and continue all the way to the upside. So you can see how that beautiful trade plays out, and you would have been in that trade all the way from this point and to this point, which is such a great one. Okay, and then again another time, look at this, price will test into this particular other block again on another scenario. So you can see now in this particular scenario, look at what happened. If you observe the Bollinger Band, you realize that the Bollinger Band is shrinking together, which shows that there is no volatility in this market. There is no volume. So it keeps on shrinking, and look at what happened. The price keep coming down, and then look at here, price keep going up, another divergence, and price break this line now and climb to the upside, and you can see how price move all the way to this upside. So this is exactly how we can take advantage of this. You can see how the price keep moving massively. So you can capitalize on this and bring a complete change to your trading journey. And I believe you have learned something new. Please do not forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified when we upload another video. And it is important for you to know that we are offering a mentorship class, so you can follow the link in the description of this video. You get the necessary inquiry, and all you need to do to be a member of that great community. Remember, our order block is not only limited to order block. Fair value gap, smart money cube are all order block, but in this scenario there is no fair value gap. So the only thing we had was our order block. Thank you, and see you in the subsequent video.